Hello everyone. So I just bought this Aula F75 mechanical keyboard and today I'm going to be reviewing it. Let's see how good of a budget keyboard is this. Let's unbox it. First, we're going to open it from here. Let me just remove the tape. Here we have the Aula F75. And now if you guys want to buy this keyboard, I would really suggest you to buy this keyboard because this is like one of the best $70 keyboard you can buy. Let's unbox it. F75, this is the guideline. Then there's also this. And especially this thing has tri-mode like wireless, Bluetooth. Means you can use it with your phone. Yeah. Okay, the moment of truth. Holy, this thing looks good. Sound test. And it even has these double feet. Or whatever you guys want to call it. Let's see. Let's turn it on as well. Okay. It has few modes. And it also has its own software. Let's do a typing set. Alright, very good. And this volume knob is also pretty customizable. And it also clicks. So let's put this back towards wired so it doesn't waste. It also has this 2.4G dongle which you can use lowest latency. I definitely encourage you guys to use this. And this keyboard is extremely. Let's keep this aside and let's look at the extras. Now let's come here. Whoa, they're so generous. They gave us 4 pre-lubed keys, which is actually very good. And then hot swap, okay. And then over here we have the wire. Okay, back to the keyboard. If you guys want to see, they all pre-lube the keys. I would suggest you guys not to buy the Epo Maker one. Yeah. If you guys want to buy it, the link's in my bio. Let's see how good this thing is. Pre-lubed. And damn, it sounds damn good, guys. Let me put that back in. Let's see with the spacebar. Oh yes, that's good. Because for keyboards like these, especially as down-facing LEDs, this is actually good. And then these are some stabilizers, which is good. Alright, pretty solid. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. And please subscribe and like. Thank you.